Iwa te kauma iwa ina ono ki whangarai nei, iwa te kauma iwa ina tahi tu atu I Hikurangi!
Hey, alright, mana, welcome to the good life. Nama kita
Oh, look, it's great to be back.
Hey, I'm just gonna check. Are we playing online? Nothing like checking.
Morena, everybody! The bird is back.
We are playing online. The audio is all good.
Good. Huh, huh.
Hey. You are oringa ki te rangi. You are oringa ki here. You are oringa ki te rangi. Mama be on the radio, mama. Hey. Morena.
Morena mas, morena koutou katoa ngā hunga I whakarongo mai ana me ngā hunga I whātakitaki mai ana ki te kāinga tēnā koutou katoa. Kei te kāinga.
Ai, kei te kāinga. Can you do me a favour and turn up my ears?
Yes, one moment, please.
Yeah, because, they work barely. That's great.
Right.
Now, here loud tonight. Just like 2 taps now. Thank you.
Right.
Why is Luke doing the ears on the volume on my earphones? We don't know, but it seems to work when you
push a button.
Thing.
Yeah, you tap a button over there.
Anyway,
Morena, how's it been? How's the week been? Loud and clear. Thank you, Auntie.
Loud and clear. Morena, look, cacao.
Oh, look.
Morena, cacao. Loud and clear. Ete iwi.
Fabulous.
The week's been good. How have you been? Actually, no, I take it back. It's been cax. Where have you been?
No, I have had a little listen. I was asleep.
No, you didn't. But You're lying.
No, but I did have a look at the replays. It's been great. You guys are great.
We're good.
It was amazing.
We had an okay week, but we missed the burn, man.
Oh, and I actually missed you guys. Got a little bit of FOMO, to be honest.
Yeah. You do.
I got the messages. Like I missed your vibes, Luke. I missed your vibes, Tatiana Diamond.
Oh, he's lying.
Bless your heart. No, it's been a busy week.
Yeah, you were down in the Whanganui Tara.
I was down in the Whanganui Tara.
Yes.
Not with the friggin' fiasco with the Jews.
Wow, that's why we thought you went down there. I was like, is he the scandal? You got Simon. You got Judith. I mean, you're only down there 1 week, Luke, and look what you've done.
Look what I've done.
Standing out.
Yeah. Look what I've done. I mean, I've been threatened with legal action from the council, and now that was taken back, revoked, and now look what's happened. Made the people listen, and now Jude. No.
Exactly. I was like, he's gone from Oroku to Aotearoa.
No, I was actually in Wellington hosting the New Zealand Hospitality Awards. Now, they've had quite the year. But
they're like restaurants and stuff.
Restaurants and hotels.
Kia ora.
It was incredible. And being hospitable people that they are, they know how to partake in the partay.
Oh, kia ora. And I suppose hopefully you got put up in a nice hotel.
Oh, the bird was nested at the QT Wellington. It used to be the Art Museum Hotel, so it's very stylish, but very lush.
Kaitehia end of Wellington.
No, Wainganui.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Wainganui.
off Courtney Place.
Oh,
so on the water tip up
the bird was out as well.
The bird was flapping those flaps, I tell you.
The bird was friendly. I can just say, you look like you've had a great week, Lee. You're putting my corner, you're glowing.
What happens on tour stays on tour. Anyway, I've got topical news about some of the winners and the not so good winners. But one of the big winners of the day, I've got great stories to tell about that one later on in the hour.
Yes, and we will touch base on what happened to Auntie Judy.
Oh,
who? Auntie Judith, girl. Let's just say for now, tofa. Soifua.
My husband's Samoan. Tofa.
Tofa. Kia ora. Iwi, of course, we are here. Marcy and Luke. Phoenix is doing Nifa Mahi up in Kaikohe.
Oh,
kia ora. Te wheke. Ai mihi ana ki tērā wānanga whakairo. E haere ana ki reina. It's pretty cool too.
Cool.
But yes, we'll be here to entertain your haringa on air as well as online. Go to @Ngāti and you can add us on Instagram at
Absolutely.
Marae. Tēnei wā.
Aye.
Anga whakarunga tō tātou te tiro.
Now, I have missed doing this because the weather guy down in Wellington certainly put up the best couple of days. And they say you can't beat Wellington on a good day. Oh, you cannot. It was
Hey.
stunning.
He wouldn't he?
None.
Wow.
Beautiful. It was like, what? Anyway, here in Te whakaore mai kohi kohi ka kutai. It is currently 15.6 degrees this morning, and it should feel like 16. Oh, for goodness. Oh, yeah, 16. So it's not too hard out. It's a high of 23 degrees today, but we all know here in Whangarei, 23 means like 28.
Yeah.
And so it is 90. Oh, how many percentage is it?
Is it moist?
She is moist today, and it says one or less layers.
One or less.
One or
So
less layers.
if you're feeling like no layers today,
It's
says that
okay.
it's possible. Well, it's encouraged on
It's
Met
encouraged
Service.
on Met Service. One or less layers of clothing today, and it's 92% humidity at a high of 23 degrees, which is around 28.
Yes.
And it is cloudy periods. Here we go.
Just 2 words.
Cloudy periods.
I've been doing the weather when you've been gone, and he's been giving out whole sentences.
Cloudy periods.
And then Luke comes back and he's like, Luke's back, 2 words.
Cloudy periods. I'm trying to find more to say. Cloudy
2
periods.
words
Full stop.
and no layers.
One or
Kia ora.
less layers of clothing. Cloudy periods today. Obviously, he's like, it's Friday. I'm over it.
Yeah, he is listening to the Maramataka, which is kore kore piri ki tangaroa. Kore kore doesn't sound too productive.
Let me sing for you, Marcia.
Oh, yes, I just jumped into that. Here we go.
Sexy voice, please. I need you to. You got to do sexy voice. You have to do the sexy voice.
I'm a Hina singer.
You,
Mind you, I gave Hina up when you were away. We need to put you on the hot cam.
right?
Or just don't leave.
Did you not play? Did you not see the Hina?
Look, I attempted it and I was like, this is cax.
I know it's going to be cuts without your part as well. It's okay. I'll do it.
Yes, sir. Okay, here we go.
Sexy voice.
Ladies and gentlemen, why back to our Maramataka today is kore kore piri ki tangaroa. Get ready for a weekend of positive action. Starting now. You know what? Luke's been having some positive action all week. And he's brought that back to Te Tai Toki. Well, it's evening. Prepare yourself for a positive action weekend. Kore kore, piri, ki tangaroa. Are we going to do it?
Yes.
Bang! And why?
I love it.
Kore kore piri ki tangaroa e te iwi. It doesn't sound productive, but it's
Sounds productive in the
yeah,
wording.
it's positive action.
Oh,
Yes, you know all about that, eh, Luke? How ironic.
Oh, you make me laugh.
You make me laugh.
You made me
So it must be good hua from Tangaroa as well. So ki ngā tai o Whangarei,
oh, yes.
right now is low tide, and high tide will be at 20 past 1 o'clock, and then low tide again at 7:30.
Nice.
Aye.
That's a nice
When
time. Is it high tide now? Sorry. Low tide.
low tide.
High tide at
High
7:30,
tide
it's
at
lovely.
lunchtime.
Sun
Yes.
setting. It's beautiful.
It is quite nice out there. Straight view out to Manaia, Maunga,
Yes. Actually, I'll
Te
just
Wahapua
remind me
Whangarei,
of
Te
something.
Serega
Actually,
Prawa.
if you are wanting to go for the sunset tonight,
Oh, give it.
the sun is setting at 8:20
12
p.m.
12
tonight.
a.m. Far out. That's 8. It's out till late, eh?
It is out. She's like, hey, girl, hey. 20 past 8 tonight in Whangarei if you do want to go see the sunset, and you can go in the water at 7:30 and have a bit of a cocoa.
Oh, kia ora.
Yeah.
And just like Med Super says, no layers, apparently.
one
it's
or less
acceptable.
layers in cloudy periods, full stop.
Kia ora. All right, Tiwi. Next, we've got Eara e Mara, a chance for us
Ooh.
to get arin. No reira ki au tonu mai mo tērā. Still to come in the music lineup, of course, the queen of singing, Whitney Houston. Unity Pacific is in there as well. Here anō tuatahi. Here's the crew. Rob Ruha, Troy Kingy,
Yeah.
Magic. Who else? Bella Kalolo.
Ngā mea katoa.
Hi, Ria?
Probably.
Kahao.
Oh,
Anyway,
yeah,
this
gotta
is
be.
called Kamanu. It's out there, but I got FM.
e te unga whakapolo i ti me hai maori runga te moana nui e tā ki te moana nui e tā ki te moana roa e tā kamanu tonu e tā wakate ai tauri wakate ai tikoki kamanu tonu eta me haere mori runga te moana nui eta te moana nui e tā. Iko, te uira ka papairunga, te tuki I rarora. Iko, te uira ka papairunga, te tuki I rarora. Iko, te uira ka papairunga, te tuki I rarora. Iko, te uira ka papairunga, te moana nui e tā. E te punga whakapono I ti. Me haere Māori runga te moana nui e tā.
He mea tautoko
na te mangai.
Iwa te kaumau iwa ira ono ki whanga rei nei. Iwa te kaumau iwa ira tahi tuatu I Hikurangi. Tēnā tātou katoa ngā te whea whema.
Hey! Oh, morena! Here we go.
Ha ha.
Our chance to get added on this beautiful Friday morning.
It's lovely out there.
Yes, and now we need to get like a spin wheel of all of our
Games, I think
games
so.
so we can like suss it out what we're playing. Anyway, today we've decided to play Is it 20 questions?
Yeah, he pātai tako rua tako.
Roa te kai ngā pātai.
Ai.
And so we've both chosen a celebrity in our heads. And
Yes.
I've got to ask you a question, vice versa.
Yes.
And all we can say is yes or no.
Correct.
Cool. The winner is obviously the one that guesses it.
Okay.
Okay, I'll go first.
I think you're going to get my real question.
Are you a singer?
Yes.
Are you a female?
Yes.
Are you Lady Gaga?
Yes.
That was terrible.
Oh,
Morena.
that's not fair.
You're the one that chose it.
That's not fair. You could have asked, like,
You
are
made
you
me
blonde?
egg.
You made me egg. Morena,
Okay.
Myla, Morena, Sarah K. Hitale Tuvae.
Oh, God.
Oh, hekama.
I won,
Okay.
by the way. that was a great song.
Okay,
Oh,
let
great
me,
game.
let me do yours anyway.
Okay.
Okay, Marcia.
Yes.
Are you a male?
No.
Oh!
I won again. Okay. Have you chosen another person?
Yes.
Okay. Celine Dion.
It is.
Stop doing it! Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
Okay, I've got my next one.
How about it, Huey?
Oh my god,
Okay.
how did you know it was Celine Dion?
Because I just know.
Okay, Marcia, are you a female?
Yes.
Okay, are you a singer?
Yes.
Are you a Māori singer?
No.
Ah.
Very good, though.
Okay.
Are you a singer?
Yes.
Are you from New Zealand?
Yes.
Are you a female?
Yes.
Balakalolo.
No.
Ah!
Oh, okay, cool. Okay, so you're are you a New Zealand singer?
Yeah.
You're not. Oh, are you Benny?
No.
Okay.
No, not Benny Goo.
Okay.
So you're a New Zealand female singer.
You're so good.
Lavina.
No.
Oh,
gosh.
Oh,
Oh.
I know now.
No. Marcia is not Beyonce
Oh,
because she is from New
Take that
Zealand.
back.
You see? Oh, sorry.
oh, the game, right?
The game, Marcia. Okay, so you're a New Zealand singer. You're not Maori. You're a female artist. Do we play any of your music on this station?
I haven't seen it.
Oh.
No.
Have we? Oh, so no.
Have we what?
Have we interviewed you?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I think I don't know the girl's name. Oh, you Paige.
No.
Ah, who
Okay.
are you?
You are Tina Cross.
No.
Oh, I'm getting close
Oh, this is
though.
so
I feel
good.
it.
Yeah, I
I'm
know.
feeling lucky like the lotto.
Who's the lotto?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, Marcia, you're a
Yes.
female singer from New Zealand, and we have interviewed you before.
Get a girl.
So who is that? And you're not Maori.
Not Maori.
Oh, but you. Oh, but you could be Pacific Island person.
Is that a question?
Are you a Pacific Island female artist?
Yes.
Ah, are you Lavina Williams?
I'm Lavina girl.
Yes.
I'm trying to put you off by asking if you
Oh,
were.
you, yeah, you
Yes,
sure.
Lavina girl. Hey, we need some music in here.
We,
We haven't
do.
seen it.
Just
Oh no, I take it back.
Mabiel.
Mabiel, yeah.
Candy banana,
That's a
baby.
jam. Okay, you are a New Zealand female singer also.
Correct.
Not Tina Cross or Bella Kalolo.
No, all of
Do you do theatre?
She has done
Okay.
theatre, yes.
Are you on TV?
Not currently.
Are you an MC?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay. No, that would have been a shoe-in. Okay, I've got it someone else.
Okay. Oh, we're going to go
just
back again. Oh,
so I
okay.
can guess yours well.
Okay, Marcia, are you a male?
Yes.
Oh! Are you a Maori male?
Yes, I am.
Are you a Maori male singer?
Yes.
Are you a Maori male singer that we have interviewed?
No.
Oh, okay. Don't look at the guy. Don't look at the
Damn it, I
comments.
didn't think of her either.
Don't look at the comments.
Are you from Rarotonga as well?
Yes.
Are you also known as a mama?
Yes.
Are you? Have you been in the Cat's Away?
Yes.
Have you been on a solo with Patia?
Yes.
Jalvanius. Annie Crummer.
Yes, the
It's
legend, the
Iwi.
icon, Eddie Crummer.
And just to finish off the game, who am I? Just quickly, first guest,
Stan Walker.
Sam Walker.
Yes.
I was like, but questionable because you've interviewed him, but I haven't.
I see.
Kia ora.
No, that was good. That was
See,
fun.
yeah, that was fun.
Annie Crummer. Go Auntie Pauline. Yes.
See what I was thinking of Rob Ruha too.
Oh.
Yes. No, I was
Stan was my first, and then I was going to go to Rob.
Yes.
I missed that
Kia ora.
laugh. I
Oh.
missed that laugh.
Okay, I get
this
it.
one.
Yeah. Oh, so did I.
Oh. I don't know why I laugh like that. It's weird.
Yeah. You've got that laugh, and then I've got the goofiest laugh.
Oh, we love us.
Yeah. Anyway, very
It was
shortly,
fun.
we're going to check out topical news and why we
Oh,
actually
hey.
sent Luke down to Wellington.
Have you guys been trying to impersonate my laugh? But Phoenix did a great impression.
yeah.
okay.
Yeah, not so much the laugh. It was always the
Cup of tea?
blowback. Oh, I love the song.
Cup of tea? Cup of tea.
Cup of tea, anybody?
Yeah, what you don't hear at home is as soon as we go to the Waitia News, because I'm like, this is going to take forever. I'm like, cup of tea, anybody? Cup of tea.
Yes.
Cup of
Also,
tea.
you missed out on a nose swab.
Oh, no, I got it on Monday.
Oh,
When I left
lucky
here on
you.
Monday, yes.
Well, we got one, and I've got to say, same person, but she was a bit more like,
Huh?
yeah.
Oh.
It's like, did you get what she needed up there? Far out.
yeah, while you're up there, can you clean my
Yeah.
ears as well?
I
Like-
think because we're the last of the whole building to go, and so
Right.
she's just like, yeah,
Oh, is this the lady? Is this the
yeah,
the
your
lady?
mate, one of the tea girls.
Oh, yeah.
She's all right, but like, I was like,
Well, I
"You all right
got
today?"
mine on Monday before I left. When I left here on Monday to go to Wellington Tuesday, and I have not got my text to say
No.
nothing. So you know.
So he's hoping you're okay.
Yeah. Oh dear. Anyway, yes,
Yes.
Marcy, you're saying
Topical news and a couple more minutes.
fantastic. So I've got some great topical news coming up with who took away some great awards at the New Zealand Hospitality Awards, and some of them will blow your undies off
And we'll get the real tea on the national
on the Jude.
You're not so tahi later, though we are. Opportunity Pacific.
Yes.
Hey, is this Shay Foos there?
Yes, I believe so.
Yes, get it. Tato what?
He's up here. Yes, that's right.
Right, you are listening to Marcy and Luke. 2/3 of Aore Mana. On this beautiful Friday morning, have a great day out there. Keep listening. Got to hit FM.
Though we are a long, long way from our home, we'll be alright. Though we roam freedom our right. Why you see the skies above our head, the earth below, where we once tread. The roots are dying from where we fed. Our children are crying, Rastafari dread. And though we are a long, long way from our home, Israel, we'll be alright. Though we roam over here, roam over there, night. Let me tell you, for you see the skies above our heads, the earth below, where we once tread. The roots are dying from where we fell. Our children are crying, Rastafari dead. Our children are crying, Rastafari dread. Said he dread. You know he dread. Then he dread.
So we thought we could pay off a home loan,
And we had some money towards our deposit.
but it wasn't enough. Our deposit was a bit like an ad on the radio that's supposed to be 45 seconds long.
But we only had 15 seconds worth of stuff to say.
That sounds like my cue. If your deposit and a home loan aren't enough to buy a home, check out First Home Partner from Kainga Ora. It could bridge the gap. You and Kainga Ora will own your home together, and you buy out the Kainga Ora share over time until your home is all yours.
So we finally had what we needed to buy our first home.
And enough to spend a whole radio ad talking about it.
Check to see if First Home Partner might suit you. Visit kaingaora.govt.nz/partner.
Out the back door or through the room and out the sliding door, then meet up at the end of the driveway.
Out the front door or through the laundry and out the back door, then meet the kids by the front gate.
Down the hallway and out the front door, or out my bedroom window, then meet Mum and Dad at the letterbox.
To survive a house fire, you need an escape plan. Your first escape route, your second escape route, and a meeting place. Fire gets real fast. Make your 3-step escape plan today.
Te mita o te rohe.
Iwa te kaumā, iwa iro ono ki whangarei nei. Ngāti Hine FM.
Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better.
Oh,
Oh, girlsy. We'll just bring that down.
Jude, you let them into your heart and look what happened. Bye, girl!
My girl. Look, she made her last
Oh.
mistake. Her last move, was a mistake.
It was a mistake. And I was just saying,
It backfired.
and literally she was like, you know what? I'm going to have a meeting today.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell everyone I've got all the news on the gossip on Bridges.
I heard what you said 5 years ago, Bridget.
Yeah, 5 years ago. And you know what? It's totally fired. She went in at
Yeah.
9 o'clock as the leader, and she
Yeah.
walked out to it.
Do you reckon she knew that going in?
Well, no, because I watching Parliament TV last night. I'm one of those parliamentary geeks, and it was said that she had the backing of the board of the National Party to go ahead with this process. So I don't think she knew she was going to be ousted with no confidence from all, not just one of her caucus, the entire caucus voted
She's like,
no confidence.
Anybody else? Even you, Even you
Anybody?
Trina.
Even you?
Oh,
I even think who EA, who PA,
Yeah.
and that would have known something.
actual.
Yes, they are very dysfunctional
But yes,
anyway. Obviously,
National
no
Caucus
love
are
lost.
dysfunctional anyway, obviously. What you need to know, what you need to know, kia mohi o mai koe. Gina Collins obviously has been rolled as Nationals leader. Shane Reti of
Yes.
Kaitokerau is now interim leader and will remain there until Tuesday when a leadership vote will be held. I wonder if he'll stay there.
Yes.
Reti has talked to media after the leadership spill, saying the caucus has concerns about Collins' press release on Simon Bridges.
Yes.
Obviously.
Great comment here, actually. She couldn't even face the media afterwards. After all the hoo-ha, what a hoo-ha she is.
Yeah.
And
I
you
mean,
know,
she couldn't even have a chat with her mate from TVNZ. What's her name?
Jessica Marsh.
The Polly girl.
What's her name?
Oh, it's like Adra.
Indira? Indira?
Indira.
Yes.
Yes.
Because Indira just goes
That
for
was
her.
a good one.
But the other thing is, which I think is totally right, all of her ex-MPs that have retired all came out in the news yesterday and said how disgraceful it was that there's a worldwide pandemic going on and all the National Party want to do is cry about themselves.
Yeah.
And I thought, you know what? That was totally, totally right.
Right. Okay. So also this comment from Kenny on the right. Ironically, NZ Labour is now the only political party in
Yes.
government without a Māori leader.
I think that's, wow.
So we've got Rawiri Waititi. Even David Seymour is he Māori tēnei.
Aye.
He's Barney's cousin, Barney.
Oh, yes, Barney from Mackay Electrical.
Yeah, but,
yes.
yeah. I seen him at his wedding. We're like, oh, he cousin tēnei.
at the wedding?
Shane Viti
Cool.
now and Marama Davidson.
Yeah, so they're all Māori for all the parties
They're Māori
except
tēnei.
Labour.
Aye.
Oh, that's awesome. I
That
love
is
that. In other news, though, this week I was hosting the New Zealand Hospitality Awards. Now, they've had a massive year of, it's been quite the struggle.
Aye.
But however, they wanted to still have the awards. They've been postponed 3 times. They're meant to be at the Auckland Museum, and they decided, you know what? The only way we can have our awards is if we move location. So they moved their whole party to Wellington. Yeah, light bulb. Oh, let's just fly everyone to Wellington. So obviously they couldn't have everybody there. So it was filmed across the country to all of the people involved. So they had parties in Auckland. They had a little party in Rotorua, Christchurch and Dunedin, where people could go there for the parties to watch live in Wellington.
Yeah.
But the Best Cafe Award of the year, which is one of my favourite subjects, and obviously I hosted it, but the Best Cafe Award went to Karaka Cafe in Wellington, which
The
is...
one, is it the Waka?
In the Whare-waka.
Yes.
Yes, so this
That's a good
fantastic
one.
Māori whānau operated by the Reti Manu whānau, who are Māori and Pacifica descent. Their whole whānau came, not even knowing they were going to win. They just came because they're finalists.
Yeah.
And it just went off. If you haven't been to Karaka Cafe, it's all in te reo Māori. It's got Māori influence in their food. The hangi hash is amazing.
And just the vibe around there is just it's cool.
yeah.
Like you get the Wellington vibe. Everybody's just out having a coffee,
it's
having a
amazing.
drink. You're in front of like a little pond or
Yes,
something.
but
and there's
all their
music.
staff, even if they're tauiwi or anything like that, they all are encouraged to speak te reo to their customers.
Yes.
They have to greet everyone in te reo. All their menus in te reo. All the music is Māori artists.
Aye.
And their 7 children all work with their business. So
That's cool.
it was
Well
amazing.
done.
The little kukuia that came along to support them was just, she was the karanga queen. She was
Yes.
on.
Well,
It
the
was
last
beautiful.
The last time I was at that cafe, I was sitting there and I was listening to the singer. Had my back to the singers. I was like, oh, this voice is a good singer. Like, sounds, this one's a goer. I'm going to turn around. Who was it? It was Tuari Dawson.
Oh, chat. There we go.
I knew it. I knew that voice.
So yeah, I love it. It's like Māori doing Māori proud, and Māori doing what we're good at is just being the great Manaaki people that we are. So Karaka Cafe, New Zealand's #1 best cafe in the whole motu. Amazing.
we need to go down as Eare Mara.
I went yesterday for brunch. Definitely recommend the cheesy eggs.
Oh, the
It's-
Hekiti.
Yeah, that's
Cheesy eggs.
Cheesy eggs. It's sort of like an eggs Benedict, but it's got this
Cheese
cheese sauce and it's
Wow.
grilled over the top
No,
of the eggs.
not as tangy the sauce.
No.
And grilled. Oh,
And
I
it comes
like
on riwana bread.
There it
Pretty
goes.
cool.
And it's served with what kind of drink did you have?
I had a decaf coconut milk latte.
Kia ora.
I'm a little bit out there. But I just
Yeah.
was so chuffed
Kore
with them.
cafe, Miraka coconutty latte.
Yes. And the fella that the fella that the tane, the Tamaiti, I suppose very, very young, that came to serve me, a Pākehā fella, but really trying for his deal. It was awesome. I just loved it. And I just thought this is why they've won. Because they stand out. But the best hotel award went to Fable in Dunedin. Best luxury was Fable, Hotel Grand Windsor. And the overall Supreme Award, which is the creme
Have
de
you
la
been
creme, I've been there once actually, it's quite lush,
Hey.
was the QT Auckland. They won the best overall.
QT, where's that?
Yeah, so it's a new hotel down by the viaduct. You don't really notice it's there. It was a new build during the first lockdown, so they were like, oh my gosh. But they've got the rooftop at the top that won the best bar award.
Right.
And it's just this.
Is that infinity pool too?
I don't
Or is that the other one? That's the Sofitel.
I think that's no, Sophie, I've been to that one. No, it's
There's like an infinity pool. I saw Boo at it.
Oh, that's a Park Hyatt.
Ah,
Yeah, boo. So QT Auckland won Supreme Award, but yeah, it was great. So,
cool. I
Support
do
your
miss the
locals,
hotel
though.
life.
well, I've had quite a good
Yes,
hotel.
yes.
It's quite nice. Thank you. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
well, good to have you back. And also,
Oh, bless.
thank you for that. Topical news. Right.
Yes.
But you were the MC of all MCs.
Thank
Next
you.
gig is where?
The next one is in Greymouth, west coast of the South Island.
Yeah, Greymouth.
Aye, Te Waiponamu.
Te Waharoa.
You can't even fly
Te
there.
Wahakiwikiwi.
Oh, can't even fly. So I'm like, wow, this is going to be amazing.
Ura.
It's
Right,
the West
that's
Coast
easy.
Sports Awards, so that should be fun. Like I play sports.
Yeah, there it is. That's topical news for you. Very shortly, we will check out. We've got a new wahanga. It's called Huakatauki. We've got your Huakatauki for today.
Oh, cool.
No reira ki au tonu mai. Heoi anō tōtahi. Here's a jam. It's Whitney with How Will I Know? Ngāti FM.
I know he's the one I dream
Mai te hurihanga o kāwharu whainua ki te pēo whairangi and some patchy tanga ki te hokianga, apparently. Nā te hine FM. According to Tā Mati Rākina, he's like, I was just a Mitty, and there's parts of Mitty where they can pick up Ngāti Hine FM.
Oh, that's
and
cool.
Panguru and other parts of Hokianga. So,
I love
hurihanga o
that.
kāwharu ki te pēo whairangi me tahi patchy o
Patchy
Hokianga.
or Hokianga. I like that.
Ngāti Hine FM.
That's cool. Mai ngā ngutu roa o Hātea.
Now, we did talk about that, and he was like, what is the bird trying to say? And I was like,
The
literally
longest
the
mouth,
longest-
the longest lips.
the longest lips. And he was like, right.
Hello?
There's nothing deep about it.
No, there's nothing deep about that. We're not
It's
gonna-
just long
long
lips.
lips, the mouth, the lips. Hui ngā ngutu, the meeting place of the lips.
Of the talking lips.
Yeah.
Oh, there we
The
go.
waterfall comes down. It's the ngutu
It's
roa,
the-
the big
oh.
mouth. And then it goes out to the... Yes.
Was like a
Stop
putt-putt golf.
Stop overthinking it. Oh.
It's exactly what it is.
It's exactly that.
You know what's exactly not that is huakatauki.
Huakatauki.
Yeah, so how to tātou huakatauki mo te rānei?
Tō tātou Huakatauki, it comes from Te Puka Puka the Raupo, Book of Māori Proverbs, by Timothy Karetu and A.E. Broham and A.W. Reid.
Oh, wow. Sounds
Te-
so elite.
Te kohi ngā Hakatauki a Raupo.
Ai, huakatauki.
Now, this one I picked out because I thought it was actually quite, well, it makes a lot of
Appropriate.
sense. It's about, should I tell you what it's about first? Like,
Yeah,
what-
sure.
It's about eating.
Yes. Stop overthinking it, Iwi.
Yeah, don't
Everything's
overthink
about eating.
I love though how you guys got Guturoa when I keep saying it, but someone who's like a real, like in the Machacho or
Yeah,
Te
yeah.
Reo was like, what are you trying to say here?
Oh, he's thinking in a funny part, but he's like, have I missed something? Nah, you
I
missed
haven't.
nothing.
It's just it. That's it. Guturoa.
There's no hidden nothing.
He kuku
Kuku
tāngai nui,
Oh,
he kākā kai honi honi.
of course you like this one. He kuku tāngai nui.
Tāngai nui,
A tāngai
he
nui.
kuku tāngai nui, he kākā kai honi honi.
Oh, kuku kiki kaka. That's all I've got in my head. He
It's quite a long
stutterer.
one, isn't it?
No, I like it.
Well, a cuckoo. Oh, that's why.
He manu?
I've just realised.
Kaka he manu.
Aye. But what are those kind of manu?
When you went to Wellington, kuku kaka.
What is a cuckoo? I just realised
A
what my
cuckoo
grandfather
is a
always called me a
cuckoo.
cuckoo when I was a little kid.
It's a little chick.
Well, it's a bird,
Yeah.
but and a kaka is a
Bird.
Maori what?
Is a Maori pigeon. Parrot.
Parrot. So it's a parrot, but a cuckoo is a
Pigeon.
yes.
Yes.
My grandfather called me a pigeon all those years.
Oh, but like you sound
Oh.
cute. Pigeon cuckoo.
He kuku tāngai nui, he kākā kai honi honi.
Okay, tāngai nui. So you've a pigeon with big ideas and a parrot with a big mouth.
Very close to it, actually, but
Okay.
I think it's the other way around.
It's sort of like eating your words, maybe? Nah, nothing.
Actually, it's got
take
everything
that.
to do with eating, but nothing to do with like being serious.
Okay, cool.
It's actually real easy. Like, when I realized, like,
Okay.
oh, this is us to a T.
Okay. The cuckoo's like, should we go for breakfast? And the kaka's like, yes.
Yes, and what happens when you and I go for a parakuhi mas?
We over order.
Well,
Is there someone else coming?
No? What are you talking about? Table for two, please. On a table of six.
No, okay, what? What happens when we go to breakfast?
Well, what do I do with my breakfast?
You dissect it
And
and
I
smell it
and
and
go,
chomp it down.
Yes, and what do you do?
I kai timo, like
Aye.
take my time.
Yes, so this
The
applies
slowest
to
eater in the world.
this applies to a person who eats in a leisurely manner.
Thank you.
He kuku tāngai nui, a pigeon has a big crop. He kaka kai honi honi, but a parrot nibbles at its food.
Kia ora.
Cuckoo. Kaka.
Look at that.
And
Two birds in a nest. Cuckoo kaka.
Teddy will have.
Teddy will have. We do take Teddy, thank you.
We do. Teddy will have. Yeah, so I'm the
No,
cuckoo, you're the kaka. I eat my big crop as fast as I like, but the kaka parrot likes to nibble and take its time.
Kia ora. Both you and Phoenix are cuckoos.
Cuckoo.
I'm just like getting started and you're like, woof.
Checkmate.
Coconut latte, thank you. Right, thank
Pretty
you. That was
much.
Wakatoki.
Wakatoki.
Thank you.
Waka papa. Wakatoki.
Why not?
Why back?
All the Wakatokis. More Wakatoki, more Te Reo Māori coming your way. You know what I love about our segments, Te Reo Māori?
Yes.
And speaking of that, did you see the Google Translate latest victim sort of thing? Well, the latest meme. And someone put in
Oh, no.
Kia ora tāne mā in Google Translate, and it translated to long live white men. Kia ora tāne mā, long live white men.
Well, I suppose
Where's
they're
the
not.
lie?
Yeah, I was gonna say, I suppose they're not wrong.
No,
Kia ora, life, longevity, give life.
Yeah. Hey.
Oh.
The privilege, I tell you.
Long live white men. Oh my god. What if you put in Kia ora Māori mā? Would it say long
Isn't
live
that what I
Māori?
just... Oh, yeah. Long live white Māori. Just the white ones.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Tino. Here on Noitiwi, very shortly, your news from Wātea Kia Utonu Mai. We'll be back after it
See you
from
soon.
about 7:08.
Yeah, hang in there. Come back soon. We've got great stuff coming your way.
Right now, it's Modi. Whakatō te kākano. Ngā Tiki FM.
Kia hiwara, e whai ake nei ko ngā pito pito kōrero.
E ngā iwi o te motu, tēnā nō rā koutou katoa, Scotty Morrison tēnei, me ngā tai pito pito kōrero o te haora, nā te pūtea taunaki a te māngai pāho. E whai ake nei e tiwi, hei tā te minite i ngā take aorere ara, hei tā nanai a mahuta, he huarahi atu anō, hei whai mā te Māori e te tuki ai o tātou wawata mo te tino rangatiratanga. Ko te panatanga o Judith Collins, hei kai arahi te rōpū nā hinara me ngā hā kinekina, e whai ake nei. E ki ana te hea mana o te runanga kaupapa iwi take o te whakakotahitanga o te ao, ara o te United Nations, Anne Nuragram, e tino tika ana kia whai te iwi Māori i tō tātou mana motu hake i roto o Aotearoa nei. Engari mo te whai pāre mata Māori e ki ana ia taiho ake pēr tērā. Hei tā nanai a mahuta minita i ngā take aorere, kei roto i te pūrongo he puapua te kōrero mo tētahi pāre mata Māori, engari kua kike te Premier a Jacinda Ardern, engari hoki mō tēnā. Kia hatia, hei tā nanai a mahuta he huarahi atu anō tātou te Māori e te tuki a ia tātou o tātou wawata mo tō tātou tino o rangatiratanga. Nā kua panaia a Judith Collins, hei kai arahi i te rōpū nā hinara, kua toko ake a tākuta Shane Reti ki te whakakapi ake i tōna tūranga mo tēnei wānei. I roto i te korokoro o te parata nā hinara e huri ana ina nahi i te putanga o te whakatau a Judith Collins, ara kei te whakaheke iho ia Simon Bridges o Ngāti Maniapoto ki tētahi tūranga mana kore i roto i te rōpū nā hinara. Hei tā Simon Bridges o Ngāti Maniapoto, kua ahua ngaro nā hinara i roto i ngā marama nei ara kāri i te whai i te huarahi e tika ana kia whāia e rātou. Hei tāna kāri ia mo te ata whāki mai i tēnei wānei menara ka whai ia i te tūranga kaiarahi i te rōpū. Nā, kei te hanga mō ki hi rongo a Māori, te rōpū wāhine Māori toku i te ora i te kauwhata. Hei tuku atu mā rātou ki ngā rohe o Rangitike, me te waka o Tainui, hei tā rātou he nui ngā whānau e a wanga ana i tēnei wā, nā ko nā hoki te hia kia whakapiki ake rātou i te wairua o te hapori. Hei tā ngāre ta paiwai o te rōpū wāhine Māori toko i te ora, koe nei tā rātou mahi mai rāno, ara he āwhina he tautoko i ngā whānau, nō reira he wāhanga nui tēnei o tā rātou mahi, o tā rātou kaupapa, ara kia toko ake i a rātou te ora o ngā whānau Māori. Nā, kua tai ki te wā, e tirohi ai ngā tatauranga kōwhiori o te 24 haora nei. Wai anō rai nui tērā kua mate he tangata i ona tau 5 tekau i te hohipera o Tāmaki Makaurau i te mate kōwhiori. Nā reira 42 tāngata kua mate i tēnei ngā ngara nei i naia nei. Tahirau 78 ki hiuho i te 24 haora nei. Tahirau 49 kei Tāmaki Makaurau. Ko era atu, kei Waikato, te tai tokerau te moana a toi, te Waiariki me Manawatu. Ko eke te tapeketanga o ngā kehi katoa ki te 7,600 tekau. 77 ngā tūroro kōwhiori kua hohi peratia nā te kino o te ngau a te mate nei i a rātou. Toko 8 o rātou kei ngā wāhanga whaomomo e tiakina ana. Ki ngā tatauranga mo te tokomaha o ngai tātou, te Māori kua kano a raitia, 80 ōrau kua whai i te pūerotanga tuatahi, ono tekau mā ono ōrau kua whai i te pūerotanga tuarua. Ara kua piki tēnei ōrau tanga tuarua nei, mā te kotahi ōrau i te rā inanahi. Aha koa te whakatūpatoa ngā pirihimana i ngā rā tata nei ka panai a rātou, kei te whenua o Moringai tonu. Ngā uri o Ahipara e noho whakatau te ana, kia tahuri ake ki tō rātou māngai, kia Ruben Taipari.
Tangi tōnu tangi ana te moana o Kāriri Kora, me te pai o te hua rere tēnei rā, he ua, he pai, ki kone tōnu, ngā tini whananga, hui tātou, ki runga i te whenua o Moringai, te hui. E hui nui mo tātou i te mea, te pānui a popo, nā te prihimana, te wero ki a tātou, ki te wehe atu tātou, po tātou ki te whenua. Te kōrero a te kāwaratanga a trespass matters.
Nō re tiwi e whai ake nei ko ngā tai pito kōrero hā kinekina.
Tahi, rua, toru, wha, Tima.
Nui ake I te rua takau ngā reo irirangi Māori e kōkiri ana I te kaupapa kia puawai ai tō tātou reo Māori.
Wātea. First with your Māori news. Visit the website wāteanews.com.
Hei tā, Kaylen Ponga o te kapa Newcastle Knights kei te whai hua nui kē rātou I te piringa o tō rātou iho pū manawa hō ki te kapa ara o Andrew Johns. Hei tā, te toki Māori nei e whakapono pū ana ia mā te piringa o Johns, te tuahangata toitu tuawaru o te NRL ki te kapa Knights. Te rāpea ka eke rātou ki te wāhi e whakataitai pū wai rātou mo te taitara NRL a te rātou. Hei tā Ponga ka noho tonu ia ki te tūranga haika a te rātou, aha kua te wehenga o Mitchell Pearce me te whakaro o etahi, ara me te whakapai a etahi, ka nuku pea a Ponga ki tōna tūranga, ara ki te tūranga Poutoko. Hoi anō rei tiwi, koe ranga tai pitu kōrero ha kine kino o te wā, kia maumahara koutou, kia haumaru te noho, kia hauora te noho, tēnā koutou katoa.
Nā no reire te motu, mā wāte, mā te reo, te whakamārama.
He mea tautoko nā te manga.
Hei pāho.
Timi tō te rohe.
Tua iti. Tua iti. Yay!
Tuaiti for the Ko Hunga Hunga Pohanga generation.
Early Sunday mornings for 1 hour at 7 a.m. Music produced for tamariki to enjoy and storytelling.
And just a couple of elements to expect. Also a segment to show off your tamariki.
Capture the haka moment.
All the cute moments.
Whatever amazing moment it is.
Send it to us and we can include your tamariki in their show.
280.
7 a.m. Sundays.
Yay!
Ngāti Hine FM. Here atu ana I te awa o Hōteo.
Iwa te kaumā, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kaumā, iwa ira tahi tuatu I Hikurangi Ngāti Hine FM!
Ara e mara, nau mai hoki mai, you are listening to Marcy and Luke. We're in the whare till 9 o'clock.
Hey,
of course, on your
hey.
daily dose of air, Ara e mara, on this beautiful Friday.
It's a Friday,
morning.
that's right.
It's beautiful and it's a Black Friday.
I know in America, I think is it Black Friday tomorrow for them, and it's it's the days after Thanksgiving or something.
Oh,
So
something. I don't know what it is, but it means sales. At the retail
That's
shop.
right. It's another one of those American things that New Zealand's adopted, like the rest of the world. It's like Halloween.
Like Halloween, and then there's the Guy Fawkes from what was that? The UK.
England.
Yes.
That's right. I don't think it's quite funny. His name was Guy back in like the 1600s.
Yeah,
it's a very unpopular name back then. That's great.
Hey,
You are Oria ki te rangi.
Ere mara, it is 8 minutes past 8 o'clock, and you've just come back from the tea. Get the tea with the tea girls.
I know, and I haven't seen the tea girl since Monday. So when I walked in, I literally bolted through the door going, "Hey, Jude!" And one of the little ladies there literally got the biggest fright. She jumped off her seat and jumped in the air like, "Ah!" And everyone was laughing at her, but I didn't realize she has a heart issue.
Oh,
and so
good
she
one.
was checking her heart rate on her little Apple Watch thingy.
Yeah.
No, she's currently got an ambulance there.
Whatever.
I was like, oh, okay, sorry. I just have to make my cup of tea. But are you all good?
Are you good?
She goes, you're lucky I'm wearing undies today because she had a skirt on. And I was like,
she's definitely your friend.
I was like, girl, we've seen your lunch.
Oh, girl.
Hey,
more than
just,
the tea.
This is another thing. On Tuesday when I caught my flight to Wellington, Mr. Bristow was on my flight.
Yeah.
He was going down
I was just going to say, I haven't seen Mr.
I know.
Bristow.
I think he's still in Wellington because he didn't realise his flight, what day it was. I said, when are you coming back? He goes, on Wednesday. I was like, oh, all good. And then our flight was delayed.
Yeah.
And then he said, oh, effing this and effing this. And, oh, effing this. And then my flight's effing on this, effing this. And I was like, it's okay, Bo. But he was meeting with the Minister, Willie Jackson, about the kiwi fruit orchards.
Don't worry about
Ngāti Hine
Mr.
own.
Bristow, mate. He knows the top of the top and he's everywhere.
He was cool. I said, where's your luggage? He goes, this is it. I was like, oh, it's a little backpack. And I'm going for the same amount of time he is, and I've got a huge suitcase plus a huge carry-on.
Mr. Bristow, he's just there to get that. He would have, I reckon he would have got up to Judah.
Oh, he was probably
I
there.
want to see. He'll be like, Judah!
Yeah.
Judah! I want to see what he said.
And yesterday on my flight back, the flight was Pakaramatanga, and it was got to be 38 degrees on that plane. I don't know how
so
people.
it was moist.
It was moist, and you were touchy with people. But we had to go sit down. There was this beautiful fire sitting there. I said, "Oh, excuse me, fire. I'm just sitting next to you." She goes, "Oh, all good." And she gets down, hops in, and she goes, "Did they let you off the show this week? Oh, you fellas are funny." And I thought,
We got
wow,
fans.
we got fans. She was from Pippi Y, but she was she was
Everybody's from Pippi Y.
She was at Parliament or at the head hot shows talking about solar energy for their people.
Probably with Bristow.
Probably. Her name, I think her name was Delaney. If I got that wrong, I'm so sorry. But I loved our corridor on the flight, and thank you so much for watching us and reaching out to us. That was so kind. Yeah, we've got people everywhere.
Te Arewa FM. E nā koe tau. I tēnei wā, kia ngā whakarunga tō tātou titiro. Thank you, Mr. Weatherman.
Yes, the weather today. Oh, no, it's all ready, and my phone just locked itself.
Oh, good one.
It's currently 16.8 degrees here in Te Whanga Ōrei.
Hai kohi ngā kūtai.
It should feel like 17 degrees. It's still a high of 23 degrees, which as everyone knows, that's all kakarinatanga. But it's gone down 85%.
Oh, do you think that...
How?
Yeah, but do you think because of that you should wear one layer at least?
Well, now it just says one layer.
Yeah.
So it's all changed.
Not one layer or less.
Yeah,
Don't do the less.
No.
Please wear a layer.
Yeah. And it still says cloudy periods full stop.
Cloudy meatballs.
Cloudy
Alright.
meatballs. And also if you are sunsetting today, still at 20 past 8 tonight. So yeah, 23 degrees is the high, which is around about 28 degrees. So it's going to be hot.
Ki ngā tai o Whangarei, low tide was at 7 o'clock this morning with the peak of low tide, with the low of low tide. And the high of high tide will be at 20 past 1 o'clock this afternoon. Koe rā ngā tai o Whangarei. Now to our maramatanga. All right. Let's take a look at our marama. Ia koe hina. Nau korero o tina inei. Wow, Marcia. The maramataka for today is kore kore piri ki tangaroa. What does that mean? Well, we suggest get ready for a weekend of positive action. Starting right now. Yeah, get it. Positive action routine. That's what Luke's been getting. Wait. Kore kore piri ki tangaroa. Can we say that again with gusto?
Waidu
Yona.
Positive energy all week. Oh, dear.
Positive action. All right, that's your maramataka and your tohu huarere. Next, we have got E mea ana koe. We're going to start it early. E mea ana koe, we've still got our Iti Te Kupu on its way. And it's Friday, so you know what that means. Waiata Friday. Send us your suggestions right now. What should we say?
Yes.
We'll sing it.
Sing it.
So send it now. It's a iwi.
Don't know what we're doing. Sing it.
No, we're singing what they're telling us. Anyway, tell you who can sing. These guys, 660. It's Catching Feelings. Okay, so when I say positive action, don't be catching feelings over here. Right, it's here where you are listening to E Are Mara. We're here till 9. Ngati FM. Woo!
Caught up in a dream that I just thought was passing through. Covered in with vivid memories of me and you. And on a moonlit night, I've never seen stars this bright. No, I can't help it. I've been catching feelings for you. I hope you catch them too. I hope you catch them too. I've been going crazy. I've been going crazy. I hope you're crazy too. I hope you're crazy too. Crazy too. I caught a glimpse of what I failed to see. And that's all I need. I don't wanna let more time slide. I traded 1,000 nights for just one with you. I've been catching feelings over you. I hope you catch them too. I hope you catch them too. Yeah, I've been going crazy over you. I hope you're crazy too. I hope you're crazy too. Crazy too. I catch your feelings over you, and I hope you catch them too. And I hope you catch them too. I've been catching feelings over you, and I hope you catch them too. Oh, yeah. I've been catching, I've been going crazy over you, and I've been catching feelings, and I've been going crazy over you.
He mea tautoko nā te māngai.
Kai pāho.
So we thought we could pay off a home loan,
And we had some money towards our deposit.
but it wasn't enough. Our deposit was a bit like an ad on the radio that's supposed to be 45 seconds long.
But we only had 15 seconds worth of stuff to say.
That sounds like my cue. If your deposit and a home loan aren't enough to buy a home, check out First Home Partner from Kāinga Ora. It could bridge the gap. You and Kāinga Ora will own your home together, and you buy out the Kāinga Ora share over time until your home is all yours.
So we finally had what we needed to buy our first home.
And enough to spend a whole radio ad talking about it.
Check to see if First Home Partner might suit you. Visit kaingaora.govt.nz/First Home Partner.
Bowel cancer can develop with no warning signs, but when found early, it can often be cured. In November, the National Bowel Screening Program will start in Northland. Eligible people aged 60 to 74 years will be invited to do a bowel screening test every 2 years. The test will be mailed to you. It's free, it's easy, and you do it at home. Find out more at timetoscreen.nz. Phone 0800 924 432 or talk to your doctor.
Unleash your rhythm. Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kauma, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, Ngāti Hine FM.
Kia ora, it is 8:15 and right now,
Oh.
kua tai tātou ki tēnei wahanga I kia nei ko. E mea na koe. Ai, tono.
I love that song.
He wahanga kiki ana I ngā kōrero tupurangi, facts or keg, hahonu, kōrero hahonu, kia koutou te tikanga, kia kira whē te
Okay,
eku.
te equal drib. That's Luke Bird backwards. How do you tell? This is what I find really, really, really weird, that people actually take time out to sort of prove these right. How can you tell if a cranberry is ripe?
Because it's purple.
No, you literally bounce it like a tennis ball.
Ah, I remember those ads too, remember?
Yes, so you
Yes,
actually
and they're like,
bounce. You actually get a cranberry and you bounce it. Not
Yeah.
the dried cranberries, the real ones. So
Okay.
before they turn into dried ones, where you eat them like in a little raisin.
I don't eat them at all.
Well, you just pick them, and then if they're ripe, you bounce it on the ground. If it bounces back up to you, boom.
And if they don't, you're like, oh, someone's picked it too early.
Oh,
You're dead.
pretty much.
Oh,
Pretty
yeah.
much.
I dare you to do that in like front of my nana. She probably like backhand you. Stop playing with your food.
Oh, you got one?
There you go.
So US, you know when you put a stamp on a letter, which
Aye.
not really people much. through these days with an email, but most USA stamp adhesives contains 1/10 of a calorie. So if British stamps could set you back 5.9 calories when you lick that stamp.
Yeah, well, I did send quite a lot of letters last year. That explains it all.
But isn't that funny though? If you lick a stamp in America, it's got 1/10 of a calorie, but in Great Britain, if you lick a stamp, it's 5.9 calories.
What are they putting on the stamps?
A lot of kakarina.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
I've got one, J.K. Rowling. Is it Rowling or Rowling?
I don't know. I just go.
English language, I
That
tell
chick.
you. It changes. Okay. J.K. Rowling chose the unusual name Hermione so young girls wouldn't be teased for being nerdy.
Say again?
She chose the name Hermione,
Yes.
in the Harry Potter, so young girls wouldn't be teased for being nerdy.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah, she chose an unusual name.
Yes, I was thinking,
Yeah.
why should she choose like Emma or something?
Yeah,
But
no.
Hermione. So
Hermione's name is Emma, though, eh?
Yes. Sorry, I was just thinking that. Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, so she'd make it normal.
Oh, and it works.
Yeah. Yeah, Hermione's a goer.
Out
Out of all three, who would you be?
Out of all three, who
Harry.
would I be?
Harry,
Oh, Hermione.
Ron, or Hermione? Yeah.
I like Ron now because Ron's got hotter as he's got older.
Yeah,
but
Harry didn't get hotter, eh?
Harry just became annoying. But
and then
Hermione
Harry
is
and
like,
Ginny, they came cringe.
yeah. So I think Hermione because she become
Hermione, she's
like wahine,
boss.
like
Yeah.
toa.
She was always boss from the start. She's
Yes.
a goer.
So I would be her.
Yeah. And I love
Liliosa.
Yeah.
Whatever it's
When
called.
Guardian Leviosa.
God, that's it.
And I love how te kuia. The teacher, the kuia.
Yes, she's played by Maggie Smith.
Yes,
but what's
I
her
like
real
her.
name? Yeah.
Professor McGonagall.
McGonagall!
think so.
Amazing. Now, here's one for you, which don't come at me, okay? Don't come at me. Bees are the only insect in the whole wide world that produce food that people eat.
Right.
Some people were going to go, no, what about a cow? A cow's not an insect. What about a, yeah, they're not an insect.
The
If
only
it
so no other insect,
makes food for humans.
and so no other insect is useful. So we don't need any other insects, and they can go away.
Oh,
Thank you.
Yeah, there you go.
You've brought
Yes.
that home.
Yeah,
Except
no.
bees is the only one that puffed my face up.
And
So bees can go away
they're
too.
dangerous, but
But-
they're the only insect in the entire world of history that produces food for human consumption.
Yes, and if you see the bee movie, we need bees.
We do need them. I think that's really important. This is
Honey puffs are made to stay fresh.
fresh,
Stay fresh all the time. If you're
looking
looking for honey bees, honey puffs are yours and mine. Thank you, honey puffs.
It's so good.
You know, like I had a love-hate relationship with honey puffs. Like I loved the ad,
My
and
auntie
I
eats
really
them,
wanted to like them, and I actually just I used to just tolerate them. Mum loved them.
My auntie eats them like there's no
She always
tomorrow.
got honey puffs. They're like Cocoa Pops, honey puffs.
Yeah, no.
Thank you, honey puffs.
Your face.
With some crumpets and some marmalade.
That's good for you, Marcia. Marcia, eat it.
Oh yeah, and have some grapefruit with some sugar.
It's very British to do that. Oh.
Crack up.
Okay, what's another one?
I've got this Hewlett Packard, HP
Oh,
computers.
yes.
The name was decided in a coin toss in 1939.
Really?
Yeah, so Bill Hewlett and David Packard met in the early 1930s while studying engineering, and then they formed their company. And they cemented their partnership and decided on the company's name. It would simply be by the
last name.
Yeah, the surname.
Wow, but what were they
So
doing?
to decide the order, they coin tossed it.
Oh, Packard, Hewlett,
Yeah.
Hewlett, Packard.
Kia
Oh,
ora.
wow. But what were they
Or
making
it could have
back
been
then?
PH. Pauline Hooper, but it's HP. Hatu Petra.
But what were they doing back then? There's no computers in the 1930s. What were they making?
They were engineering, so they made their own computers.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's cool. I love those kind of fun facts. My last one here is So crows, we don't really have the crows. We don't have crows, sorry, in New Zealand. But those people that do know a crow, the similar.
Don't we have crows?
We have
What do
we have magpies.
Oh yeah, I was just going to say Napier crow. No,
Yeah, so they're pretty close
magpie.
to it. But let's say a magpie or crow, when they're in a group, they're known as murderers. That's what they're known as a thing. But the birds actually hold tangihanga for their flock.
Oh, kia ora. He
Like-
manu
like
Māori e nei.
Could you imagine the elephants? Oh, maruhere.
Oh, it's just Luke. He's a cuckoo.
He's a finch. Oh, here's it. I'm going to do one more. So you do one more? You got one more? I've got one more.
Okay, I've got one more.
This is about my bees, and I love this one.
I've got. Oh, you do your bees, and then I'll. Oh no, actually, you might bring it home with it. So I've got this day in music history, back in the year that I was born, 1988.
Wow.
Russian, what do you call it? Astronauts took into space a cassette copy of the latest Pink Floyd album, Delicate Sound of Thunder, and played it in orbit, making Pink Floyd the first rock band to be played in space.
I love that.
Yeah,
Could you
that was
imagine all
in
the
88.
aliens going, whoa,
What's
what's
this
that?
guy? Nah, Pink Floyd was a
That's
guy.
quite cool. I wonder though if they're played in space, does it echo? Like, will it keep traveling and traveling and traveling and traveling? There's nothing to bounce off.
Yeah, well, they're in a spaceship, so.
Oh, okay.
And because, you know.
Oh, I thought they're playing it outside.
We've made it, they can speak on speakers to.
But what if they're playing it outside, like they're
come
flying
in,
around?
NASA.
And it's like, does it keep traveling?
I don't know, we have to ask Sandra Bullock. We'll see if she knows.
That was good, Mars. I don't know. We have to ask Sandra Bullock.
Speaking of Sandra Bullock, she's got a new movie out.
She's still going.
Yeah, I love it.
I do too, but I just thought she'd retired.
I think she's got a new movie out. It's either out now or it's coming, and I want to see it.
That's hilarious. My final one today goes to our beautiful whanaukataka, the bees. To
Right.
make a half a kilo, so to make 500 grams of honey, a bee has to fly to the equivalent of 90,000 miles.
Oh.
It's one.
How many? A kilo?
Half a kilo.
Oh, just half.
So a pound of butter?
Yeah.
To make 1 pound of butter, a bee has to fly 90,000 miles, though one bee typically only ever makes 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its whole lifetime.
Oh.
And here we are eating honey like it's made for everyone.
Yora.
A bee only typically makes 1/12 of a teaspoon. It's
Do
like
you have honey
this
in your
much.
cupboard?
We do, yes. And now I'm going to look at it going far out. You're
We've
amazing.
got it in our fridge or cupboard, but I swear it hasn't been opened for like a year.
Well, honey is one of those things that it doesn't actually, I don't think it goes off.
Yeah, but like, it's just how much we don't eat honey.
Why'd you buy it?
Well, because obviously we would have needed it for something.
Well,
Maybe
can I-
like I had a sore throat.
Can I just say, that little tub of honey, think of the 90,000 miles to make that honey.
Yeah, but there's like a colony of bees.
Yes, but look what they have to do to, they've got to do a lot of work.
E hara taku toi te tōtaki tahi. Koe rā tō rātou whakatauki, Luke. Honey puffs are made to stay fresh. Stay fresh all the time. Ko tō tātou toa he taki tini. Honey puffs are yours and mine. Toa taki tini.
Could you imagine though, in your whole lifetime, and all you did for your work, like for your legacy, was
a teaspoon of
not
honey.
even a teaspoon, 1/12 of a teaspoon. Marcia, we're proud of you. You're 85 years old and you're retiring today. We'd like to thank you for the
Right.
1/12 of a teaspoon of honey you've produced in 85 years. That's what they do. That's sad.
Well, you'd hope that people would mention it.
Yes.
Kia ora. All right, that's kōrero hahonu for you. Mō te rangi nei,
Aye.
that's your random facts. E me ala koe nā Waiteka, all in one. And we've got our birthdays. Hari huri tau kia koe. Hari huri tau kia koe. Hari huri tau kia koutou. Hari huri tau kia koe. First I'm going to Roberta Kake. Hari huri tau.
Oh, Roberta.
And Shelley Smith. Remember Shelley? From Hatia Rocks.
Yes, she's lovely.
Yes, so hari huri tau kia koe, kia koutou, o tira, Finishing off with this, Natasha Bedingfield.
Oh, we like her.
Yeah, what is that?
These words of my heart.
And her brother was born here.
He was. He
in
at
Whangarei.
Whangarei Hospital.
Yes, she celebrates her birthday today. And the singer, one of the singers from the Supremes.
Oh, yes.
Born in 1944, Jean Terrell.
In the name of love.
She celebrates her birthday too. So, hari huri tau kia koutou katoa, mai a mawai konei e ara e mara. Next, we're going to check out our Wata Friday. We've got suggestions, loving them
great
all.
ones.
We'll
Loving
choose
the
them.
Queen one.
Oh, of course you are, you queen. Okay, here we go. Sons of Zion, live it up. That's what we're doing here on this Kore Kore Piriti Tangaroa. Positive action. Yati FM.
Yes.
What if this was it? You didn't know it yet, but Armageddon's on your doorstep. Knocking. The funny thing is this. For all we know, it could be right around the corner. So the question is, how you gonna deal with it? Sit back and cry, take your flight. And so I'll tell you this, I don't really give a shit, 'cause it might not see tomorrow. This could be the last night of your life. I wouldn't wanna see you wasted, baby. 'Cause if this is the last night of my life, I never wanna see the break of day. Gonna live it up. Take another sip. 'Cause if we're going out, we're leaving off the top shelf. Just another hit. 'Cause we're not making memories for tomorrow. Oh. So the question is, how you gonna deal with it? Sit back and cry, take a leap, and maybe you'll fly. And so I'll tell you this, I don't really give a shit, 'cause it might not see tomorrow. This could be the last night of your life. I wouldn't wanna see you wasted, baby. 'Cause if this is the last night of my life, I never wanna see the break of day. Oh no, don't waste no time. Let's live for the night. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go do whatever you like. Just let me take you higher. This could be the last night of your life. I wouldn't wanna see you wasted, baby. 'Cause if this is the last night of my life, I never wanna see the break of day. This could be the last night of your life. I wouldn't wanna see you wasted, baby. 'Cause if this is the last night of my life, I never wanna see the break of day. Give it up. Give it up.
Oh, boom shakalaka. That was Sons of Zion with their song.
Live it up.
Yeah. You got to hear FM, everybody. Now, it's Friday, everybody. It's Friday. You've made it to the end of the week.
Yes, way to go. Well done, News. Finishing off the week strong.
That's
it is
right.
8:30, and we're going to give you a Waiata.
A Waiata.
For Waiata Friday.
Now, we've had a few people message us.
From all our fans, generator. Thank you.
But
we
have
love actually
selected
all of them.
we have selected a song, and
We did.
this is for all of you out there.
Oh, we would have gone with Shalalalalalalos, but we need a little bit more practice. It's a bit handy, that one.
It's a kaha song.
Yo, no, it's an rangi nei, it's a iwi.
yeah,
Yes,
turn
bringing
it up,
those
man,
Sing
turn it
Star
up.
vibes. Here we go. Ba, ba, ba. Da, da, da.
Don't go breaking my heart.
I couldn't if I tried.
Honey, I get restless.
Oh, baby, you're not the kind.
Woo! Who don't go breaking my heart?
You take the weight off of me. I wish.
Oh, honey, when you knock on my door, hey, hey.
Oh, I gave you the key.
Where we going? Woo! Nobody knows it.
Nobody knows.
When I was down,
I was your clown.
Nobody knows it.
Nobody
knows.
knows.
Right from the start,
I gave you my heart.
oh, I give you my heart. So don't go breaking my heart.
I won't go breaking your heart.
Don't go breaking my. Don't go breaking my. Don't go breaking my heart.
Yes, Sing Star. Look, they didn't do Where's the Prize at?
No, where we are?
Nobody told us. Because nobody showed us.
It's up to us, babe.
I think we can make it.
Those are the words.
Hey.
So don't misunderstand me. Oh my goodness.
You put the light in my life.
Oh, you put the spark to the flame.
I got your heart in my side.
Alton and Kiki.
Oh,
hey. Who nobody knows it.
Nobody knows.
But when I was down,
oh, I was your clown.
Nobody knows it.
Nobody knows.
Right from the start,
I gave you my heart.
oh, I give you my heart. This is the song that keeps on giving.
So
Don't go breaking my heart. I won't go breaking your heart. Don't go breaking my. Don't go breaking my. Don't go breaking my heart. This is the song that keeps going. Oh, it's still going.
Hey, well,
I don't know. It's the song that keeps on going.
oh, hey, come on. This is giving me Sing Star battle vibes, man.
Oh, woo-hoo. Who nobody knows it.
Nobody knows.
When I was down,
Oh, I was your clown.
right from the start,
I gave you my heart.
oh, I give you my heart. And the chorus again. Hey, who don't go breaking my heart. Oh yeah. I won't go breaking your heart. Don't go breaking my. Don't go breaking my. Don't go breaking my heart. Don't go breaking my. Don't go breaking my heart. Don't go breaking my. Don't go breaking my. Don't go breaking your heart.
What's the
Legato! Don't go breaking my. Don't go breaking my. Don't go breaking your heart. Don't go breaking your heart. Hey. Don't
It's
go breaking
Huey.
your heart.
Thank you for coming on down
Don't
to
go
the
breaking
karaoke
my.
lounge here on LRA, brother. Bringing your Friday ones to you. Ki te tai toke rai, ki te motu whānui. Thank you, everybody. Put your ladies together. Ladies together. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Luke Bird,
I don't go breaking my.
as
I won't go
Elton
breaking
John,
my.
and Marcia as Kiki D.
That was great.
Staccato!
Don't go breaking my. Don't go breaking my. I won't go breaking my heart.
You're flat tonight. Oh, mate.
Oh.
for bringing the hype to your Friday morning, Etiwi. You're welcome.
Now, I had the little... Why is the microphone so... Auntie Pauline, thank you for the intel.
Oh, what a telltale.
I can't believe you didn't do it. Auntie
Well,
Pauline
I
said,
don't eat the
"Luke,
pies, right?
They
Look.
didn't do Where's the Pies At.
Look.
That is not
Believe
on.
it or not, Etiwi, I don't eat the pies.
She doesn't.
But and then Phoenix came in with a stomach bug, and he was like, "I can't eat the pie."
Oh, hit the cucks.
Yeah.
Hit the squirts.
Yeah, and then I looked over to Murray wasn't here. He would have ate the pie, but he wasn't here.
He didn't hit the
And then I
squirts,
was like,
did he?
"That's why we need Luke."
I have to say,
eat the
Wednesday
pies.
morning, because I messaged, I was supposed to be on the radio at 7:30 that morning. I did say to Marcia I'd do it. However, I was at the awards and we got home at 4 a.m. So I was like, sorry guys, I
Yeah.
won't be on in the morning. But I had FOMO because I thought it was Where's the Pies At Wednesday.
Yeah, but I am announcing now we've only got 2 more Where's the Pies At Wednesdays to go.
Oh, that's
before I
holiday.
whakamoia. We're going to try.
We need a holiday, girl.
The last 2 is going to be Tiki Bakery because people see we got to go
Yes.
up there. And, oh no, sorry, I need to do 3. We need to do 3 more
3.
before Christmas. Is that possible?
You can do 2
Is
in
Christmas
1 week.
next week?
Feels like it. No,
So we've
Christmas
got to-
is exactly a month away yesterday.
Who ate all the pies then?
You need to find the bakery that
Rest
Albie,
Nathan.
who was on the Great New Zealand Bake Off, works at in Whangarei. What? Does someone from the Great New Zealand Bake Off from Whangarei?
On the show.
I don't even know that, Auntie Maud. Oh, that's cool.
Albie.
Get it!
Well, we need to
Hi,
try
Josie.
the, what do you call it? What's the pies down at the town basin?
Serenity.
Serenities, because people are like Serenity.
Oh,
and then people are like Tiki Bakery. And then Charlie's Bakery, who's been like a stalwart
Oh,
of
yes,
Whangarei.
yeah, they have that.
Yeah,
That's
the
right.
Whangarei
Yes.
Kai Koiga, who's
Kutai, Minga Riwai.
Aye. It's
Okay.
Charlie's. No reira.
Isn't Albie a doctor? Oh, so he does work in Whangarei. Didn't know that at all, Auntie Pauline or Auntie Maud. We'll have to do some research. Tara.
Albie, if you're out there, we want a pie.
That's
Okay.
right.
Anyway, that was Wednesday.
Krusty Bakers. We have tried Krusty Bakers, haven't we, across from the warehouse?
We have.
Is that Krusty Bakers?
Yeah, you
we have.
didn't quite. What didn't
That was my first week on the show. We could revisit it.
You know, I tell you what, we are going to revisit, and that's our segment of Iti Te Kupu coming up next.
Oh, I can't wait.
Engari Tutahi. Kei hara koe. Oh, kei hara koe te moe moe a. It's Uri Petu. Ngati FM. Kei hara koe.
Meko te whatua pautini Tōna mene E pōna whitirarei a Tōna ai o meko Ine puke Kei he ara koe Ke te moe moe a ana he Kei he ara koe Kei he ara koe Ke te moe moe a ana Kei he koe Kei ara koe kara mukirunga Kei ara koe kara mukiraro Kei oku moe moe a ana he Kei he ara koe Ko tōna kiri me ko te rauia Tōna kakara Me ko te rautangi Tōna rerehua Me ko te pai o ina Kei he ara koe Ke te moe moe a ana he Kei he ara koe ku moe moe ana he. Kei he ara koe.
Iwa te kauma iwa ira oro ki whangarai nei. Iwa te kauma iwa ira tahi tu atu ihi kurangi Ngāti Hine FM. More te iwi. Get out, Sebastian!
Oh my goodness, that was so hard. I thought Marty was pulling my tit and lying because she'd done it before. She went, "Ewan, come Ewan, it's not even it." And you was.
I don't pull your tit. You pull your own.
Oh, you make me laugh.
Oh, you make me laugh,
You
Luke.
make me ink.
You know what? I've
Yes.
just sent you a message, and I'll comment like Mum does and say,
Message.
out.
What is this? Let me have a look.
Have a look.
Let me have a look. Marcia Hopper. Marcia. Oh, he is from here.
What are you talking about, Luke? Share the news.
Right, so some of our fantastic number one fans of the number one fan club have sent us a message saying, why don't you try out Albie from the New Zealand Great Bake Off?
For the pies,
For the
eh?
pie. And I was like, who are you talking about? And Whangarei Doctor enters new season of Great Kiwi Bake Off to raise mental health awareness. His name is Dr. Albie Hales.
We're gonna try and get him
I didn't
as
know
our
he's even-
finale pie.
Yeah, I didn't even know. I
Yes.
didn't even know this. I thought.
How do you not know this, Luke?
I did not know this. So, mental health doctor Albie Hales is the lineup for the season of Great Kiwi Bake Off. So, is he still on the third season? Is he still going? Do we know if he's still going?
Still going.
Oh, Hales is working for the Northern District Health Board as a psychiatry registrar and says he has always been passionate about cooking while growing up. That is amazing. So let's find out where he works when he finishes the show, because he's only 26. He's only 26. He pissed me off. He started baking when he was at primary school, but has only recently got really into it. Now, can I just say, Albie, if this is about a career change, I'm confident you're earning more now as a doctor, but hey, you do you,
look,
man.
It's happiness. He mea ngā kaitira.
Do I know
He
him?
mea a warua tūna.
That's a man. Have you seen him in Whangarei? I've never seen this person ever.
Yeah, I've seen him. He was down at the
So, does he go to my gym? No, I don't know who. He's
Surely you
got
know
a cool
you with your
fashion
gym.
sense. That is awesome. So there you go, Dr. Albie Hales. He's still on. Thank you, Auntie Maud. He'll be in the semi-final this week. Oh, yes, Whangarei.
Oh, he whangarei tēnei.
Hoki te whangaorei, pai kohi kohi ngā kūtai.
Tēnei wā kei te kohi kohi mātou.
Te te kupu. Yeah. Call it. Blow back, call it. I love this song. Can you play it again? Play it one more time. Play it one more time.
Ka hori. Ka hori.
Please just
say like Taylor. I like that one.
Can you please just do it one more time? Do it for Toda. He likes that one.
No.
One more.
No.
Please, that wasn't mean.
Do you want to push the button? No, only the captain pushes the button.
Okay, fine. Carry on.
E te iwi ko tā tātou ki tēnei wahanga kia nei ko iti te kupu. I just blow my nose.
Blow back. Blow back.
Blow back
Hey,
my nose.
before you get into that, speaking of your nose, aren't you due
Yes.
to go get your rhinoplasty?
I'm just waiting for them to contact me back.
So it's soon, though.
Yeah, it is soon.
Like, that's literally in a few days.
Yes, maybe.
Yeah.
To get my rhinoplasty.
I'm so excited for you.
A nose operation.
A nose job.
With like a camera hose thingy. Kia ora, interesting stuff.
Amazing. Yum.
But it won't I won't feel anything. Not like the nose test that we do.
Oh, yeah.
Every 2 weeks.
You should ask to keep it, all the stuff they get out.
No, thank you. Would you like it though? Merry Christmas.
Right.
All right. Tō tātou kupu whakarite Māori metaphor for today is he taru kahika.
He taru,
Kahika.
not taro.
Kahore.
Taru.
Taru.
With a tohu to.
Obo.
Taru.
Taru.
What's a taru? Oh.
Taru kino. Taru is like drugs, isn't it? Or like smoke
Yes.
or...
What's taru?
What's a taru?
Taru? Hardly know her. Taru.
What's a kahika?
Kahika. I know this.
E tu kahika.
Kahika. It's got to do with kahikatea. But that is what?
That is a
tree.
Tree.
So taru kahika is a high tree. I don't know.
Yeah, I wouldn't either.
Can anyone help me at home? Anyone at home? Sarah Kay, where are you? Auntie Pauline, anybody? Queenie, Boss, Tainui, George, anybody? Oh, Billy.
Billy?
Billy Jean. Oh, is this Billy Jean?
No.
Taru. Who's Billy? Is Billy a word for taru?
Taru.
Taru.
No.
Maru. I know you can hear me, Maru. You're looking-
Sawdust? Kahore. Okay.
Maru.
Maru. Oh, are you trying to get us?
Yes, because they're listening
His
to
house.
us out there, but they're not listening to me. Right. Sawdust.
Okay. No, it's not sawdust.
Taru kahika. Taru.
Taru
Taru
kahika.
kahika.
All right.
No, I don't know. Can you give me, I'll give me a clue. So it's tree. What's the type of tree?
And it's got something to
Kahikatea.
do with te wahanga raumati, summer. But something that happens in the summer.
The trees dry out. The bark falls off.
No.
The
But I
trees
wouldn't, like,
are plentiful and
When I
wow.
say it happens in the summer, I wouldn't actually say this like,
Bloom.
straight off.
Oh, is it like a Pahutukawa bloom? Billy
Kahore,
Kahika
and it's got something to do.
No.
Oh, Billy Kahika. It's definitely not him.
Oh my gosh,
Like,
you're hilarious.
Say who now? It's got something to do with the rain as well.
Yeah, it grows stronger during the summertime.
So it's got to do with the rain and summer.
Blood.
So rain,
Moist.
summer,
Moisture.
kahika.
Moisture?
Reskins itself.
Oh, that's
I
cool.
like that for karo. Rain,
Yes.
summer, kahika tree.
Yeah, so when
Kahikatea.
it rains in summer, it's hot and moist and sweaty.
No.
Humid.
No.
Muggy. So it's a moist tree.
That's not a moist tree.
Oh, is it plentiful during that time?
Ah,
Oh, just say it. I don't know. Gosh, just say it. Oh,
Okay, here's the tauira. Okay?
okay.
Ka māku katoa tātou i te ua.
Yes, it does have tohu to on both. Taru.
Yes. So here we go. Ka māku katoa tātou i te ua. E kāoe hoa. He tāru kahika noa.
And could you do it in the fucking party, please? Because I got lost.
Oh my gosh, kei te ua, ka mākua hau.
Oh,
Kāoe hoa. He tāru kahika.
so does it shelter you?
No, like...
God, sorry. Yeah, shelter. I got that too, Auntie
Ai,
Maud.
poitira. But kauri.
It's raining. It's raining.
Yeah, we'll get wet.
Wet.
No, my friend, it's
It's a-
only...
Oh, it's the drippings of the tree.
Yes.
That's
Which is... No.
disgusting.
So if it's only the drippings of a tree, which is...
Sweat.
No, if it's not raining, it's only...
Water. It's not raining.
It's not pouring, it's only...
rain water.
Yeah, but what
It's-
kinds of rain?
What do you mean? What kind? It's water.
What is it? Is it pouring or is it only a...
Drizzle.
Yora!
But does the tree drizzle?
No. Remember, it's a kupu whakarite, you take it so literal far around. It's a metaphor.
Yeah, but I don't
So
get
like the trickling of the water on the kahikatea tree,
Yes.
it's a likened to a drizzle.
Okay. Wow, I will always remember
So,
that.
during summer, there's sun showers,
Yes.
and that can be known as, like a drizzle sun
Yes,
shower, that
yes.
can be known as a taru kahika, which is
Ah.
likened to the drips from
Of
a
a
kahika tree.
Tree when it gets rained on.
Yes.
Wow.
Kia ora.
What's the difference?
Drops,
Is that
yes.
because they're quite plentiful in leaves that it doesn't come
Look, I don't know
straight-
all of
Well, I
the
don't
stuff,
know. I don't know
okay?
what you use it for. I'm going to get wet. No, you won't. There's a taru kahika over there.
This is exactly how you use it. Like you're going to go, oh no, I need a raincoat. Ah, kei te pai e hoa, he taru kahika noio.
Kei te pai e hoa, what's do Wet Friday t-shirt?
Well, look,
t-shirt
we
Friday.
did a Hate performance the other week. And
you wore ponchos.
we wore ponchos
You
because
do.
Mum was like, we're going to get wet. And I actually thought we were too. Engari, I should have said, kei te pai, Mum, he taru kahika noio.
Did you?
No, we wore the ponchos, and then song 2, we're like, take off the ponchos.
Take them off. Take them off. Your tutor says take them
the
off.
robes off.
Take the robes off. I don't know. Just take it off.
We got there in the NDT. We thank
Wow.
you, dripping in drops. Kei te tika. So, taru kahika is a kupu whakarite for a light drizzle of rain during the summer. It translates literally to the shaking of the kahikatea.
Ah,
It compares the light drizzle of rain to the water droplets that fall off a kahika tree when it is shaken.
I'm going to go shake a tree.
Can you get it now?
But come on. And people have
Luke,
good
we will get wet in the rain. Marcia says, no, Luke, it is only a light drizzle. Luke says, kamaku katoa tātou I te ua nei e Marcia. Marcia says, kao e hine, e hoa. He taru kahika noiho.
Amazing.
Be wowed.
Oh, be well. Out of all the ones you could choose, you chose it. It's amazing. Well done.
Thank you. I'll tell you what's amazing, and that's koto te rā ki runga I tō tātou hōtaka mo te rangi
What a
nei.
great, great morning it's been, Marcia Hopa.
Oh, so amazing.
Amazing.
Very good to have you back, though, Luke.
Oh, look, I'm chuffed to be back. I was very excited this morning waking up when my alarm went off. I snoozed it 4 times.
Oh, yeah,
But
no,
hey,
the
we're here.
struggle was real
Yeah.
to get up.
Tired.
Yes.
Traveling really takes it out of you. I've been traveling all over the country.
And living in lush hotels, I mean, that's so hard.
Honestly, though, when we go to Pōneke, we need to go stay there. When we
do.
go to Whanganui Atara for our show,
yes,
we should ask to stay there.
We should.
Stunning.
We'll tell Martin?
Oh, Martin.
Martin, he's the man.
Martin.
Anyway, yes, what's happening next week with the show? It's going to be a little bit of a different format
Yes.
next week as we are all over Te Tai Tokero,
Mm.
the crew. So we will be on air, okay? And
online.
hopefully we'll be back online come Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. He oi anō mo te Monday ture, he on air noiho e te iwi.
Just tune in, 99.6 or 99.1
Ai,
FM.
mai te hurihanga o Kāwhare from the Brendavins.
That's right.
Oh, that place, I forgot what it looks like.
Yeah.
All the way ki te pēo whairangi me some patchiness ki te hokianga.
Aye. But I think also can't you go onto the website and listen to it on
You can
the
listen on website,
Mm.
www.ngatihirefm.co.nz.
And look, if we do find out how to use online next week when no one's here, we'll do it. But other than that,
But we are puta noa te tai tokero, and hey, Sarah Kay, we might call in and say kia ora.
Hey, why can't you get it, Sarah Kay? She can't get it. Where do you live?
I can't get it.
Mitty,
Oh,
Mitty.
she's not patchy tanga in the hokianga. She's Matoni.
Oh, wow. Go you, girl.
Oh, you can get it online, though. If you're online with us here, you'll be online with us on Ngati
on the
FM.
website.
Yeah, on the website, ngatihirefm.co.nz. Yo e anō mai a maua mo tēnei wā e te ti e te tā.
Aye.
E te waka o ngā toki mata whaurua.
Oh, hey, Jude.
Kia
Have a
kaha.
great weekend. Pia Maya.
Kia nifa.
Bye, everybody.
Oh, yes. We use some Mariah Carey. Yeah. Have a great weekend.
Bye, everybody. Ka pai tō weekend e. Me koutou hoki.
Ngati FM.